Welcome students to class 3 Maths, chapter 5 multiplication. I hope all are fine. Or if you take page number 62. Students, in the previous classes I given some homeworks. Please do that all homeworks in your fair copy and send it to me in my WhatsApp number before Saturday. I'll check and give you reply. Okay students, let us start mental maths. Question number 1, solve the puzzle by filling the placeholders. Students, in first question they already given the answers also. 8 into 6 is equal to 5 into 6 plus 3 into 6. Let us check. 8 into 6 is equal to 5 into 6 plus 3 into 6. Okay, what is 8 into 6? What is 8 into 6? Is 48. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. What is 5 into 6? Is 30 and 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Students, in this question what we need to do is we have to divide 8 as 5 and 3. Understood? If you divide 8 as 5 and 3, then you will get correct answer. What is 8 6 48? We go to here also 48. Let us check. What is 30 into 18? Sorry, 30 plus 18 is 48. 30 plus 18 is equal to 48. So we got the correct answer. And we can divide 8 as 4 and 4, or we can divide 8 as 6 and 2, or we can divide 8 as 7 and 1 also. So let us check. Okay, here what is the question? 8 into 6 is equal to dash into 6 plus dash into 6. So let us check. What is 4 into 6? 4 into 6 plus 4 into 6. 4 into 6 plus 4 into 6. What is 4 into 6? 4 into 6 is equal to 24 plus 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So the answer is 24 plus 24 is equal to 48. Or let us check. 8 into 6 is equal to 8 into 6 is equal to 6 into 6 plus 2 into 6. Here what is 6 into 6 is 36 plus what is 2 into 6 is 12. 36 plus 12 is equal to 48. So what is 8 into 6? 48 is equal to 48. So we got the answer. Understood? Next question. Question number B. 25 into 12 is equal to dash into 12 plus dash into 12. So let us divide 25 as two numbers. You can take 25 as like 10 and 15. 10 and 15. So let us check what is 12 into 10 or 10 into 12 plus 15 into 12. What is 10 into 12 is equal to 120 plus 15 into 12. 15 into 12 is equal to 180. So what is 120 plus 180? Calculate 120 plus 180. 0, 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 is carried forward to the next column. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. What is 25 into 12? Is also 300. And this one is also 300. So you can fill here, or we can divide 25 as 10 and 15. Or we can divide 25 as 20 and 5 also. Understood? 20 and 5. Okay. Okay, Students, do these two questions in your textbook. No need to do in your fair copy. Do it in textbook only. Okay. Here also 58 into 35 is equal to dash into 35 plus dash into 35. Here in this question, what we need to do is we have to divide 58 as two numbers. We can take 24 and 24, or we can take 40 and 50, 18 also. That is your like as your like. Okay. Next question, 235 into 42 is equal to dash into 42 plus dash into 42. You can divide 235 as two numbers, that as you like. Okay students, next fill in the blanks. Question A, 568 into 15 is equal to, here what we need to do in this question is we have to divide 568 as three numbers, that is 500 plus 60 plus 8 into 15. So these three numbers in a group and this number in a group. So next step is we have to multiply 500 by 15 first, then 60. We have to multiply 60 by 15 next, and then 8 into 15. So write the answer. What is 500 into 15 is equal to 7500 plus next 60 into 15 is equal to 900 plus at last 8 into 15 is equal to 120. So we got the answer here, 8520. Okay, next 358 into 16. Let us divide 358 as three numbers. First let us write here 300, then write 50 plus 8. Understood? Okay, first one is 300 into 16. 300 into 16, then 50 into 16. 50 into 16, then last 8 into 16. Okay. What is 300 into 16? Is 4800. 4800. Then 50 into 16. What is 50 into 16? 50 into 16 is equal to 800. Then last 8 into 16. What is 8 into 16? Calculate 8 into 16 is equal to 128. Now let us add these three numbers for 4800 plus 800 plus 128 is equal to 5728. Okay. Question number C, 442 into 19. So let us write like this: 400 divide 442 as three numbers. First 400 plus 40 plus 2. Then multiplication, 400 into 19 first, 400 into 19, then 40 into 19, 40 into 19, then last 2 into 19. So what is 400 into 19? First one is 400 into 19. 0. Next is 0. Then 4 9s are 36. 0, 0. 4 1s are 4. 0, 0, 6. 3 plus 4, 7. 7600. So write here 7600. 7600. Next 40 into 19. What is 40 into 90? 40 into 19 is equal to 760. Then 2 into 19 is equal to 38. So calculate these three numbers, 7,600 plus 760 or 760 plus 38. 8,398. So the answer is 8,398. So students, do this question as a homework. Question number D. Question D. Okay. Here also this is very easy. First we have to divide this number as 3, like 3 numbers. First number is 300, next one is 90 here, then 2 here. Then multiply by 18 with these 3 numbers. Understood? Then you will get the answer. Okay. Okay students, let us wind up today's class. See you tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe.